Rubus armeniacus is in the family Rosaceae and is referred to as either Himalayan blackberry or Armenian blackberry. It originated in Armenia and northern Iran as seen in the red circle, but has quickly spread throughout other countries shown by the blue stars. Currently, this species of blackberry thrives across the US and Canada, as well as Australia, New Zealand, and most of Europe. This is a perennial shrub with biennial stems. During the first year, the shoots can grow over 40 feet, and the second year, stems begin to branch off and can grow an additional 40 feet in any direction. Stems are 5-angled, creating a pentagon cross-section with wide, stout spines protruding from around the stem. These spines are helpful in identifying this species of rubus because the base is wide and the point curves slightly downward. Initially, all palmately compound leaves have 3 leaflets, but eventually leaves from first-year shoots split into 5 leaflets. Second-year branches always have 3 leaflets. Also growing from second-year branches is a panicle of flowers. Each flower has 5 petals, 5 sepals, many pistils, or many stamen. From these flowers grow an aggregate of drupelets, which people generally mistake for a berry. Rubus armeniacus reproduces by seed and vegetatively, producing daughter plants wherever a stem touches the ground and roots. These fruits are highly cultivated. They are extremely sweet and high in nutrients, especially vitamins C and K. The seeds contain omega-3 and 6, as well as protein and fiber. The fruit can be used to make things such as pie, jam, and candy, as well as many other items. Aside from humans, other mammals eat these berries too. Foxes, badgers, and deer all enjoy the fruits and prickly leaves, as well as birds and some caterpillars. It is because of this sweet flavor that people have planted this species in their garden all over the world, aiding in the dispersal of Rubus armeniacus. The biggest problem that comes with this species is that it's highly invasive. Because of its incredible fast growth and ability to conform to any soil, this plant easily beats out many native and non-native plants, creating thickets of blackberry. This can influence the surrounding ecology and increase associated insects or animals, changing the overall environment. Once rooted, it is hard to completely eradicate because it can root at any node and regrow from the smallest piece. This plant has invaded so many areas, it gained an iconic status as a serious noxic weed. To finish off, here are some cool facts about the blackberry. There are actually 750 species in the genus Rubus, and this causes a lot of confusion with common names and scientific names, often because by sight a lot of the species look the same and many can interbreed with one another, creating viable hybrids. Even on the UCSC website, Armenian blackberry is incorrectly labeled as Rubus discolors. In the United Kingdom, it was believed that after October 11th, blackberries were unfit to eat. October 11th is Old Michaelmas Day, and folklore says that the devil comes out and spits or steps on all blackberries, making them inedible. There is, in fact, some science behind this. As autumn rolls around, bringing cooler weather, blackberries are more susceptible to a fungus called Botrytina, which causes leaf spots and rotting of fruit. In other places, it's believed that the deep red-purple color of blackberry juice represents Christ's blood, and the thorny bramble is what formed his crown. But no matter where you are, everyone can agree that blackberries are delicious, leading to a love-hate relationship between the sweet fruits and invasive plants' nature.